Hey guys, we're back on the ground on this house. We were able to solve so many issues with our skylights, but one of the things that I want to touch on was we were able to solve another issue. If you look on this wall right here, they were getting a lot of water and mildew on the wall, and it was constant, like constantly a problem. They were actually having water behind the block too. So what we did is we put a kick out on there. So a little white piece of metal up there that runs behind the block, and it helps get the water out and away from the house. That was a pretty tough job, took a lot of time. It was all rotted in there, so we had to take all the wood out and fix it because it wasn't done right. And now we have a piece of metal in there that gets the water away from the roof, and we were able to put the stone back to give it a really nice touch. But what's cool about it is we were able to put a piece of metal in there that matches the house. So we didn't just put a piece of galvanized metal like most roofers do. We ended up making it out of something white, so it was really appealing to the homeowner. So just a little added touch that we were able to help with this house and really give them some stuff where they don't have to worry about that anymore, so that's going to go away once it's clean.